Thank you, Barbara. It's a pleasure for me to be here talking about PEACE3, which is a trial very, very important for us in Brazil, because we could randomize about 100 patients in this trial. So the trial was with the total number of patients about 450. So about 25% of the patients were patients from Brazil. So it's a pleasure for us participating in a so important trial. And PEACE3, as you told, is a first-line trial, metastatic sensitive prostate cancer. In this trial, the objective was try to identify if radium-223 plus enzalutamide would be better than enzalutamide itself in the scenario. And it's important to talk that this trial started in 2015. So at that time, we didn't have enzalutamide in the metastatic sensitive scenario. So that's why we use in metastatic castration scenario. And before the data that we had with enzalutamide and apalutamide and abiraterone, this was the standard of care in metastatic castration-sensitive prostate cancer. So it's important, another thing, that the patients in this trial should have bone metastasis because of radium-223, but it should be asymptomatic, as in our SIMPCA trial. And it should not have visceral disease. Another very important thing is use about bone agents that we talk in another moment, but it was mandatory in the majority of the time of the trial. So this is the design, and now we need to adapt the design of the trial with the data we have nowadays, which is a challenge, but it's a really very interesting design, and I think it's a very interesting, important trial.
No, for sure. I think Silk was very assertive when she started talking about how many patients worldwide just don't use, unfortunately, ARPs and first line MHSPC. So these patients for PEACE3 trial, they didn't use ARPs in previous setting. So that's why enzalutamide, as you explained, was first line in mCRPC.